How to automate lead enrichment from LinkedIn Recruiter Lite. Begin with a search in LinkedIn Recruiter Lite, such as Sales Director. Click on the SalesQL badge in your browser to launch the extension. Navigate to the Automations section. You'll find the lightning icon in the bottom footer tab. Select a folder to save these contacts. In this case, we'll use the Sales Director folder. Choose the number of pages to process. In this case, we'll add one page, which includes about 25 contacts, and click Start to begin. Wait for the extension to complete the automation. Once the process finishes, click See Contacts to open the folder directly in your SalesQL dashboard. View enriched details like emails, phone numbers, and more. Thank you for watching this tutorial on auto enrichment using SalesQL automations.